What's up, guys? This is Professor Spawn. This is what I'm going to refer myself. So, as you could see on the screen, learn to program in Java. This is my first course I ever made, and I'm going to place this course in an Udemy platform. So, I've come up with a new course. So, before I start off with why you should learn to program in Java, I will introduce myself. So, my real name is Amar Thakur, and I have an experience of 4.6 years in software engineering. I worked on the Android framework, like developing an Android application for various companies, as well as I have worked on developing the backend application using Spring Boot. I have also worked extensively in the machine learning apps as well. So the motto for me to develop this course is, to whatever experience I have gained, I share it with the world through this course, right? And this there is a good reason to learn this programming language. So as it says that learn to program in Java. Java was, first released in 1995, and it's been 25 years. And today, also, if you could see any programming languages survey, it is it is in top three, right? So Java is used extensively for developing any application which needs to be scaled, right? So there are many open source application, uh, you know, uh, that that scales to millions and millions of users, and this is why Java is still alive. Even after 25 years in this fast changing world, Java is still at the top, and I think this will remain for the next decade or so. Java is used in Google, it is used in Microsoft, it is used in any company you name it. These are all big companies, right? And Java will be there, always will be there. And this is also one of my favorite languages because when I started my programming career, I started off with Java, and this is quite easy to learn as compared to its predecessor, which is C++. Java is a object oriented programming language, so you know this is this new paradigm which we will cover in this course. What is actually an object oriented paradigm? So there is all good reason to learn this programming language, and my job is to make you understand each and every concept in Java, and this is what I'm going to do. And in this course, you are going to see like how do you really think and code. I'm going to cover right from basic to the advanced stuff of this beautiful programming language, Java, right? So I'm excited to announce this course. I will publish this course in Udemy, and I hope you like it. And this is what I want to say, guys. Like, I just want to share my experience, and whenever you learn from an experienced guy, you are always one step ahead when you are starting, because you know that okay, he made this mistake. I'm not going to make that mistake, right? So at the point you are starting, you are basically one step ahead when I started. So I'm looking forward to this platform Udemy, where I'm going to publish this course. So let's begin to code in Java.